LeGaci presents Charity and Giving Back Explained Simply. Today we're learning about charity and giving back. Here's a key number, $5. A $5 donation might not seem like much, but it can provide 15 meals, school programs. Dyer makes up 70% of the picture. Here's how the rest breaks down. Watch your money grow over time with Learn About Charitable Giving. Where it goes versus typical percent, studies show that spending money on others makes people H. Here's the process. Choose your donation plan. Follow each step carefully. Learn more at LeGaci.app.